How to export Google Sheets to Excel? Need to share your Google Sheet with Excel users? No problem. Let's export your file to Excel format without losing your data. Open your Google Sheet, click on File, and then it's on the top left corner. There you can see the option of Share, but don't do that. Over here at the bottom, you can see the option of Download. Here you can see the option of Microsoft Excel. So if you download it in Microsoft Excel version like this, you can share it to your Excel user friend. And that's how you make your spreadsheet travel seamlessly between Google Sheets to Excel Sheets.